All right. Well, good morning. Wake Up Wednesday is upon us, and we are both here. Welcome back, John.
Thanks, Stephen.
Yep, John's back today, so we've got the team back together.
My daughter had COVID.
They know, I already told them.
Oh.
Could be somebody
So
new, though.
2 weeks ago, my daughter's, it's like the second week of school, right? Ish.
Yeah, and then she got COVID.
And it was her, she'd gone to one period, first period, and she couldn't smell. So they sent her home. I mean, she couldn't smell for, a little over a week. And
So John had to be in quarantine, but we're back today. It's
back
you've
again.
got both of us together. Really today we're just going to be talking a little bit. John's going to talk a little bit about a new feature that's going to be coming in. I know we added the.
We're working on it.
We're working on it.
We're
Yeah,
hoping,
it's still in. I would say by next week it'll probably be ready to fully release, but we'll talk about that in a minute. Hey, we're talking today. Last day. The promotion, we actually extended it through Friday because it was weird to end it on a Wednesday. So the promotion goes through Friday for version 9. I have had so many calls about version 9. What does it mean? Like asking a lot of questions and things like that. So what I wanted to say is I've set up a new page. You can see it. You actually will get an email. Also, you might have got an email this morning already. Bookstoremanager.com/version 9. I recorded a video yesterday that goes through all this wording here. I basically said it in the video. So if you don't want to read it all, you can just watch this video and it covers everything. But you can go to that link. Just talks about version 9. That $200 is the last discount we will be offering on version 9. So even at the next show, we will not be doing a discount off of the version upgrade. We'll still be encouraging it if you're not on it. I think almost half of our stores have already converted to version 9. But it is a way that you can go ahead and get on version 9.
Yeah.
And so
it's definitely the way to go. Version 8 is kind of plateaued. I mean, we've pretty much locked the code so that it's remained stable. It's going to work for you. It's just not going to get these new features and enhancements. It's going to be strictly crucial bug fixes.
Yeah.
At this point.
Yeah. So everybody needs to go to version 9. If you're not on version 9, call me today. Talk to me. Tell me why you're not going on version 9, and I'll let you know why you should go to version 9. So like it is something everybody needs to do. If there's somebody out there and you just don't have $1,300 right now and you need to split that up over a few months, that's something that we can talk about and consider. So we want to get everybody to version 9 so you can take advantage of these awesome features. But look at that email, go to this version 9 page, read through the different, we talk a little bit about enhancements, the features of version 9. And then really at the bottom, we talk about the commonly asked questions. Do I need to retrain? No. You can read more in detail. Do I have to change out my hardware? No, typically you shouldn't have to. How much downtime? None. I'm ready to buy. Where do I buy? There's a link right there to buy. Remember, you can use code SAVE200, SAVE 200 all together to save $200 through
SAVE
Friday.
200.
Yes, save 200. And then if you have more questions, who do I call? Not the Ghostbusters. Call me. And my contact info is there. So really all the information you need about version 9 is right there. I've got more information if you want to call. So maybe you have more questions. You want to know more detailed information. I've got a lot of information. I try not to overwhelm you with too much. So John, what's the new feature that we're doing? This is for version 9 stores.
Version 9 stores.
Everything works great. Every once in a while, you have a little bit of like, oh, I wish it would do this. And that's kind of what we've got from a few stores. Yeah. So John's going to talk a little about what we're doing to kind of.
First of all, I try to do this each week, but join the Bookstore Manager users Facebook page. That's where most of these are coming from. So we are, I would say 90% there trying to get this feature in place, but we've had several stores because of the way the licensing works. You're licensed for however many users, and that's how many instances of Bookstore Manager you can be running at one time. And so So what we're going to be working on is if you leave a register on in the back, in the back, we're going to have a way for it to time out so that it releases that license so that you can make sure and have enough at the computers you're trying to use.
So what if I'm in point of sale and I leave it in point of sale? Is it going to time me out at a point of
Well,
sale?
you would have to be at the inner program name. So at the bare minimum, you do need to at least get out of a program you're working in, because there's just not a way at this point to put that in every single program. So you'd have to be at the menu.
So here's the deal. You really need to start building this. If you're version 9, build the habit of when you're done with the program, get out of the program. And you don't have to, but if you're one of those stores that maybe you bought a 3-user license, but really you have it loaded on 5 machines, you really want to build the habit of when you're done working on a purchase order or an inventory print or whatever you happen to be doing, go back to the inner program name screen, even if you're not using it, because what will happen is and you'll be able to set the timeout per station, because maybe this station needs a timeout after 10 minutes, while this other station may need a timeout after hours of non-use. So really start building that into your habits.
Well, go all the way out would be better.
Yeah, going all the way out would be good. But when you're done with the program, if you get in the habit of going back to your program name until you're ready to use something else, that'll alleviate a lot of that. And so, or if you have a remote user that's logged in, they definitely need to make sure they're staying at inner program name so that it times it out.
Yeah.
So that's just a little tweak that we're going to be making coming up. Again, those kind of the 3 big enhancements that we've made over the last month. There's been more, and you can look. And also, if you want to see the version 9 enhancements, we have a Google Doc that we can share out to you. You can send an email to support@bsmgr.com. And you can just say, hey, I want the version 9 enhancement document, and we'll send you that link. And then you can get in, you can access all the different enhancements. But we did one on duplicating the inventory feature. What else did we do?
The duplicate, we did anniversaries and birthdays. If somebody has an anniversary or birthday within 10 days, it'll notify the frontliner.
Yeah,
just
it'll just
to build that
boom.
relationship. Kind of back on the Google Doc, as we add an enhancement, as soon as I can, I'll get that added to that. So as long as you have a link to that document, it's not like a PDF that, will be done over time. That's a constant updating.
It's a live document.
You can even see me if I'm in there adding, you'll see me adding it.
One other thing is there is a way, if you go into that Google Doc, to notify you when there's been a change on the document. So, I don't remember how to do that. You'd probably have to Google the Google. But there is a way to turn on notifications for a document. So when a document's been changed, it'll actually notify you of that change. So I think that's something you can do in there as well. So I'll look in more into that. But hey, we're back. So keep plugging in with us. We will not be talking about version 9 next week. Well, we may be talking about version 9, but not upgrading to version 9. Next week, I know we've been sneaking it a little bit, but we're
going to have a guest star.
Yes, we're going to be potentially talking about websites next week. We actually were going to be talking about that today, but then I kicked it because we've had so many calls about version 9 and upgrading to version 9. We just wanted you to know you can save $200. So, hey, thank you so much for plugging in. We really appreciate you. We are praying for you. We know that people are going through COVID and cancers, and there is sin in the world, and we know that things are happening, and we're praying for you as a store.
We have a Redeemer.
We do. We have hope in Christ, and so we are thankful for that. Hey, we are thankful for you guys and ladies and gentlemen, and we love you. We're praying over you. If you have any specific prayer requests, please drop those in the comments. We would love to pray over those. Honestly, we would love to pray over your requests that you have. So send those to us. Thank you so much, and y'all have a wonderful day.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.